Get better at golf with these amazing tips. Golf is a relaxing sport to play. Golfers make their way to the green every day to increase their putting and driving skills, while enjoying a nice relaxing day on the green by the lake. If you would like to be relaxed by golf, then pay close attention to the advice in the following video. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to always replace your divots. This is important, because it is a widely accepted action that helps to maintain a good functioning course and also maintains the aesthetics of it. All it takes is for you to pick up the divot, return it to the spot that it came from, and finally, push down firmly with your foot. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you properly protect your skin while on the course. This is important because oftentimes you will be out there for multiple hours without any shade. Getting a sunburn can do anything from cause minor discomfort, to ruining a vacation, to even more serious issues such as skin cancer. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to keep your eye on the ball when making contact with it, and keep your eyes fixated on where the ball was shortly after hitting it. This is important because it is common for people to want to immediately look and see where their ball went, but many times they may look too soon and end up hitting the ball incorrectly. As stated before in the introduction for this video, golf is a relaxing sport. As golfers practice their putting and driving, they get to enjoy a day in the sun with a nice view of the lake. Using the advice in this video, you too can enjoy a nice day on the green playing golf. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn. You'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.